Hey guys, so I'm here in Florida. It's super bright. The sun's just coming out. It's shining so bright. It's so hot out here. It's like 81 degrees. It's ridiculous. I'm loving it, dude. I love palm trees, water, just this life. Like the fact that everyone has these weird little, I don't even know what you call this, but like a sunroom where it's just mesh. Dude, like everyone has one. Yesterday, I didn't really vlog that much because I was really just enjoying life, just chilling out, not really trying to get vlog content. I think tomorrow I might go kayaking out here. He's got some kayaks. Where are they? Right up there. So I might go kayaking, but I was told that there's an alligator in this water. And maybe not just an alligator, there might be multiple alligators. But yeah, I was told, yeah, just go kayaking out here. It's fine, there's, you know, whatever. So, might get set up on that tomorrow. But right now, I am going to hang out with Masha and some other people. And I don't know where we're going, but tonight I am going to co-lead some worship at their youth group. So I'm excited about that.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Wow. I'd like to live there.
See Sundays.
It's an old couch. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Okay.
Someday you'll be sitting on my knee, sipping on sweet tea.
It's actually the song matches with like the vibe, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does.
Oh, we may be fine.
Okay, where do I go?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll just keep driving.
On a little mountainside, and light open spaces.
This way. 100%. I don't know why you want to take a left. Keep going, just go. Ah.
I'll take a seat. Look at my GPS. It's so
I have
confused.
no clue where we're at. Like where are we at?
Well, we definitely reached the edge of somewhere.
Yeah. Ooh. There's music, but we gotta go this way.
Yeah.
You got it just for a bit.
I'm gonna probably get our food and eat there.
Oh, this is hilarious,
So great.
dude. That's too funny.
Oh look, they do boat tours.
They do boat tours.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, we're nowhere. We're literally nowhere. This is great. Welcome to Florida. 3 people clapped. 3 people clapped. That's so... Dude, 3 people clapped for that band. That is ridiculous. It was also a 3-piece band. The guy in the accordion, the guy in the banjo, and the drum machine. Hold on. Is that Steve Harvey? It's not Steve Harvey, that's Steve Harvey.
Oh, it's Steve Harvey.
It's the off-brand Steve Harvey. Fantastic. What'd you get?
I got pulled pork tacos.
Fantastic.
Delicious.
I got these salmon tacos, hard shell with coleslaw. It's fantastic. And of course the time lapse that's going right now.
I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Ain't my number, isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
Other name will I praise, but yours no other name will I praise, but yours, Jesus, Jesus.
Okay guys, so today I've been hanging out with Masha. She took me around. We went down to Venice beach area. That's what you just saw. I don't know how I'm gonna put this video together. I haven't been really talking and communicating where I'm at, what I'm doing. Just been all over, super enjoying my vacation. But right now, I'm in the car with Ruben, little transition shot. Yep. And we're going to church. We're going to church service. Yep, thank you for that. We're going to church service to for me to co-lead worship. So I'm excited about that. It's gonna be real fun. And that's the next little scene you're gonna see. So tell them the story of my day turned into fun little montage, plus me telling you right now, here we are going to church. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed.
You stay the course of the week. Now what we're going to do before we dive into this.
This is what happens when you don't have anything to keep the fire burning. It just dies out. We've been trying to light this fire for 5 minutes. More like 20. This is Ruben, aimlessly trying.
I am trying with purpose.
Gabriel, what do you have to say to the world this evening?
That's what I have to say.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Do it again. Yeah. Yeah.
One thing that I desire of the Lord, of the Lord, of the Lord. One thing that I desire of the Lord, of the Lord.
Still need you single when we travel. Huh? Still need you single.
You can't put that pressure on him. The poor guy's gotta live.
With this voice, you gotta stay single so that when we travel, you know, but with that voice. Look, I won't get into a relationship until. Yeah, because then she's gonna suck away all your money. And then we can't go.
What?
Well,
you can't view relationships like that.
If you didn't know, relationships are a black hole for money. It just disappears and goes down into nowhere.
It's true. And I think it's not bad to spend money on your girl, and that's amazing.
Oh no, that's like one of the most enjoyable things is
so
spending money on people,
but
being giving.
The truth is your savings account, like, so it's depleting.
I'm done recording this. This is foul language. Salomia.
Hey.
Let me sit with you.
Hey, Masha.
Okay, so here we are. So,
On this way.
Remember what you said?
Look at your faces.
alright, Salomia, what do you have to tell the world this evening? If you could say 3 sentences that could change someone's life, what would you say?
Change someone's life. I'll say that the real point of life is God. Nothing else will satisfy it or feed your life.
Come on, that's good.
Because I tried everything, a lot of things. Smoking, hanging out, doing wrong things. It really wasn't happiness.
Wow.
Yeah.
Remember?
So say
No,
God.
what did you say? No,
That's
I remember
awesome.
in the room, I'm like, oh dude,
Yeah.
I mean, people
Watch why she failed though.
Come on, that was pretty cool.
Unimpressed.
I'm so unimpressed.
On the world. Those are definitely like
Great shot right there.
I feel like most people don't think it is.
I'm advertising your shoes to the world.
They're my pigeons.
Are you pigeons?
My pigeons.
These are the world's best shoes. Tell us some of the benefits of these shoes.
Well, you can slip them on easily. Not only that, you can share them with a lot of other people. Third of all, you don't get your feet dirty nor wet, and you have just enough oxygen and breathable space.
They're uni size. Somehow they fit everyone.
They're affordable and they're cheap. They fit everybody, and you can share them. You can manufacture them, disperse them. I mean, you can do whatever you want. You can fold them. You can cut them. You can.
Wow.
You name it.
Wow.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. They're dying laughing because it's the first time I'm actually doing this with friends. But click here to watch another video and click here to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.
One thing that I desire, of the Lord, of the Lord, of the Lord.